Hello and welcome back to this class. I'm just opening the Notepad++ here, and what I'm just going to do actually here, as I said to you that oh, refresh that. Now nothing happened. By the way, when I just click on the new items, there should be a list of new items to be created. For example, new post, new category, new user, or a lot of things. But one thing more, I just have to add another thing actually, the comments. Okay, so I'm just adding the comments here. The comments which can be placed by different users. So this is the comments area, and here instead of tasks I'm just typing comments. Okay, the comments is actually the icon. Refresh that. Okay, I'm removing the S from the end, and let's just refresh that. Now I got the comments area. This is really perfect. So what I just want, when I just click on new item, there should be a list. So I'm just going here, and actually inside this li, after the a, inside this li, I'm just creating the nested ul. Well, this is a really simple HTML topic, that how to create nested list. You must know already before learning this, by the way, but I'm just teaching you how to do that as well. So I'm just copying the previous one, simple. Oh, not that, because it has no li, no ending li. I'm just copying the simple complete created li and pasting it here, just because I just don't want to waste the time. Go to the browser and refresh that, and this is the new thing which I just created, and obviously it is looking like that it is nested by this new items. But the problem is that I'm just going to add some things here. First of all, the class of nav. Save that, refresh that. Now this is the perfect thing. When I just added the nav class, now actually it is looking like the perfect. And don't need to put the nav bar or the nav bar default or something. This is really perfect in itself. But what I'm just going to add, actually one thing more, I just want to clear you that right now I'm just going to use the JS, okay, the bootstrap.js, and obviously if you just want to use the bootstrap.js, then you must need the jQuery file. So the thing is that in the hierarchy I have to place the bootstrap first and the jQuery. Okay, so let's just correct this. If you just did the same which I just did, so this is the perfect way. First the CSS, then second the bootstrap.js, and then the jQuery.js. okay, this is the really important thing, otherwise the function won't run, by the way. So here I'm not typing the dashboard, actually I'm just typing new post. Okay, let's just duplicate it, and here I'm just typing new category. Okay, new category. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now the new post and the new category, but actually it is visible, you can see that. I just want, when I just click there, then it should show, otherwise no. Okay, so actually I just want to make the collapsible. So the collapsibles has its own chemistry. Let's just learn that. So the thing is that this is a new item, but actually you don't want to go anywhere by the clicking of new item. You just want to show these lists. So obviously we can use the href for different things. I'm just typing @ and the sub menu, or I think simply the new items. Okay, new items. Then just add another thing, the data toggle. Okay, this is a variable which actually guides us that what we just want to do. I just want to collapse. Okay, save that and go to the navigation, the nested navigation, and here I'm just going to add a new ID. Okay, as you know that this sign can get the IDs, so here I'm just adding the ID here, and the ID must be the new item. Okay, items. Okay, I just want to make the link between this nested UL or the nested list and between this a tag. Okay, so now let's just save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now I'm getting these things still. What is happening? Okay, it means something wrong has happened. So I'm going to the Notepad++, and the thing is I didn't added the class of collapse here. Okay, so how it can be collapsible? That was the problem. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that we are not watching the other classes, the new post or new category, but when I just click on new item, now I'm not getting the classes. That means something more I have to do here. So refresh that. Okay, it means I have to do something here. So what is the problem? I think everything is fine here. I just added the collapse, the same spelling. Here is the collapse. Okay, the spelling has not wrong, and the ID is new items, and the ID is the link of the ID is perfect, means new item. I'll wait for a while. If I just cut that and paste it, actually I'm just calling the jQuery.js first and then the bootstrap.js. Let's just refresh that and click on new item. Okay, so actually the thing is that we must have to use the jQuery.js first. So obviously the bootstrap should be second. That is the thing which I was thinking, that I was just told something wrong, because how it can read the bootstrap.js first before reading the jQuery. You know that the PHP and the HTML runs from the starting, it means from there. So if they first read the jQuery.js, then they can understand the commands of the bootstrap.js. Okay, because the commands of the bootstrap.js just are the part of the jQuery.js. Okay, so obviously the browser have to run the jQuery.js first for reading and understanding the bootstrap. Okay, because bootstrap is based on jQuery. So now this is perfect, and actually I got the result. When I just click on here, I'm getting the new posts and new category, and when I just click it here again, then I didn't. So the thing is perfect, but something more I'm just adding here. And what is that? I'm just adding here, after inside the a tag, I'm just adding a div here, and here in this div I'm just adding a class and the col and sm3. Okay, now save that and go to the browser and refresh that. When I just click here, now you can see that this is actually a little bit far from the starting. This should be 2. Save that and refresh that. When I just click on new item, okay, this is more perfect. Or if I just type simple 1, save that back and refresh that. This is the purely perfect thing. So what I'm just going to do, actually I'm just copying this div. This is an empty div. I just added just before the I and after the a tag. Okay, just for adding a simple column, a very little space. When I just click here in the items, I'm getting 2 items here. So when I just click back on the new item, I just hidden that. So I hope you understood how to use the collapsible. This is the technique to use the collapsible, the data toggle, and the new the reference and the same ID, which should be the reference inside the reference, and we have to add the class of collapse, and the UL should be the nested UL. This is not really necessary to be the nested, but it should be, because this is the actually the recommendation. So guys, we'll learn some more things in next class, so stay tuned and goodbye.